This is the OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. To start off, we would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint unlock method. So launch the general settings app, then enter the password and security category of it, tap on the fingerprint, continue. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking the screen, should it be the face recognition or the fingerprint ID, it is required that you also enable some backup screen lock method as well. The list of available options are the pattern, numeric password, or alphanumeric password. I'll go for the pattern, draw the pattern that I would like to use, and then confirm it. After that, we'll be able to start enrolling the fingerprint. Just lay your finger onto the sensor that is located at the lower part of your screen. Just lay and lift gradually, get the entire surface of your fingerprint scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate your fingerprint in accordance with the scheme you have over here, just to make sure that every corner of your fingerprint gets correctly and, what is more important, successfully scanned. As you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully added. Let's just go ahead and test it out, how well it works. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues and, well, fairly swiftly, should I say. Great success. The second feature is the second as well biometrical way of unlocking the screen, which you could already guess is the face recognition. So at the same category of settings, tap on the face section, draw the pattern that we have just set up, and next simply place your face inside this little sphere frame, which I'll do off the screen real quick, and get it scanned. Alrighty, so my face has been successfully enrolled. Let me just go ahead and test the face unlock feature out as well. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked once I'm not pointing the frontal camera at my face. Nothing happens, but the moment I align it with my actual face, the display gets unlocked without any problems whatsoever. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature that we were to highlight in this video, that is located in the display category of settings. So let's go ahead and enter it real quick. It is called the screen refresh rate. So let me find it real quick. Where is it? Yep, here it is at the very bottom of the page. So nothing complicated here. Two values to choose from. You can either set it to be 60 Hz or 120 Hz. If you'll go for the high value, you'll get the smoother and silkier animations and generally visual experience, but at the same time it will drain your battery faster. So if the battery is sufficient, that you would like to have an outstanding visual experience, you would like for everything to be as smooth as it can possibly get, just opt for the high value. If you would like to conserve and preserve some of the battery you have left, some of the power you have left, just set it to be 60 Hz. So choose whatever screen refresh rate fits your current needs and situation the best. The next feature that we wanted to highlight is basically a very well-known always-on display feature that this smartphone provides you with. So in order to activate and configure it, you gotta enter the personalizations category of settings in here at the top right part, should I say. You'll find the always-on display directly. So in order to turn it on, you gotta enable this toggle. Then you can choose what display option it will have. So it will only shown, if you go for the scheduled mode, it will only be visible in some custom set time frames. If all day, it will be permanently visible. If power saving, it will be shown if the phone has been stationary. If it will fade away and will not be visible if the phone will be stationary for a while. So right after you lock the screen, it will be visible, but then after it will not move for some time. It will fade away. I'll set it to be the all day. Then you can also configure the display settings, what will be displayed exactly. So information you can choose is for the battery or notifications to be displayed or not. Contextual information, so media player, for example. The fast unlock feature can be also turned on or off. So you can set some custom message to be displayed. I'll set it to be hard reset. choose whether you would like for the notifications to come in and well be displayed on the AOD. And if you would like to see this little animated horizon light, a very cool feature if you'll ask me, I'll set it to be this little orangish, yellowish color, should I say. Then there are quite a few always on display faces that you can choose from. So there are some featured ones, text clock, quite a few designs for the analog clock and digital clock. So choose what always on display face you like the most. I'll go with Bitmoji. Alrighty, yeah, I will not go for the Bitmoji because then we'll have to set up the custom app. I'll go for the inside then, this one. Apply, and just like so, the always on display has been successfully activated and set up, as well as configured, as well as personalized, as well as customized. Alrighty, moving on to fifth and final feature for this video, that is located at the About Device section. In here, as you can see, we currently have the 16 gigabytes of random access memory, and this magnificent phone provides you with an opportunity to expand it. So just switch this toggle on over here and well, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to expand your random access memory exactly. So you can go for the 3 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, or 7 gigabytes. I'll go for the 7 gigabytes as I have enough internal storage, which will be well used for this expansion. And after that, in order for the changes that you have just made to take effect, you gotta restart the device. So let me just do the reboot process real quick. Alrighty, let me just quickly first of all enter my SIM pin as well as the pattern that I have. And then if I'll open up the settings, enter the About Device category, I'll see that at the RAM field, it will clearly show to me that the default 16 gigabytes of random access memory has been successfully increased with additional 7 gigabytes, as we set it to be. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the final tip/feature, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.